The SA and the staffs of Nasinu Town Council, staffs from High Commission, members of the media, welcome to this press conference. This press conference is called to formalize the handing over of a vehicle from the Indian High Commission. We have been talking with the High Commission in regards to the donation of a van for Nasinu Town Council purely to be assigned for Environment Department. We really have an issue of environment in that corridor. As we all know that Nasinu is the largest municipality in the country, and we have a real issue of rubbish in that corridor, and this vehicle will be assigned to Nasinu Town Council, and we will also going to have a environment ranger that will be appointed to take care of the vehicle and take care of the environment in Nasinu. So, Your Excellency, thank you so much for this kind donation. As we all know that the relationship that we have, Fiji and India, goes long time. And I'm happy that even today that relationship has been continued and strengthened in terms of our relationship. So with these few words, Your Excellency, thank you so much once again. And I will ask the SA Nasinu to say a few words before I ask Your Excellency.